Right. Yep. Day whatever. Blew another account. Blew a Lucid account. So it's just fucking crazy. I've not blown accounts at a rate like this ever. I've never blown this many in such quick succession like this. This is crazy. This market's shit. It's been absolutely fucking dog wank. A lot of chopping going on. A lot of getting stopped out of trades that we had the right idea on, just getting fucking stopped out of everything at the minute. Um, yeah, something interesting as well. I trade Tesla actually a lot on a personal account. And believe it or not, as retarded as I am on the Nasdaq, I'm actually pretty fucking good at it. I do make good money. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. I only trade like 30 contracts at a time, and I don't hold for very long. But I do make good money. I can comfortably make 56 quid in a day. Most days, to be fair, it's very very rare that I have red days. But these last 2 days on Tesla have been red, and I've a feeling that it's the SpaceX IPO that's causing the problem. I genuinely think that Tesla was really, really choppy these last 2 days and literally no tradable setups whatsoever. And obviously, because I'm an undisciplined wanker, I just kept trading it anyway. But it there was literally nothing. And I think it might be across the board. I never bothered to look at stocks like Nvidia and stuff like that because I know that they do have, the Nasdaq is made up obviously of those stocks. Obviously, SpaceX isn't on it yet, but I've just a feeling that I don't know. I'd be interested to actually look at what stocks like Nvidia and Apple, stocks that are quite major players in the Nasdaq, to see how they reacted to the SpaceX IPO. Only because I wonder whether there's been quite a drop in trading volume, perhaps. People aren't trading that anymore. They're looking to trade this, you know, new stock that's doing very very well. It is doing pretty decent. It's holding above $200 quite comfortably. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, some good trades today, some bad trades. This was, I don't remember. Yeah, just market not really going. Getting stopped out. Moving our stops too quickly, getting triggered. Just not really happening. But getting some decent moves, some not so. Some not. So we do have another Lucid account that we've been trading as well. So yeah, and that um, is up on the day, is green on the day. It's weird, like green in one account, below in the other. It's kind of weird how that's been happening just recently. Like, yeah, a lot of messing around with trying to take what trading two contracts, trying to take one off. Trying to be a bit of a clever dick. It's just not. It's a lot of faff, not really working. And I do think that's responsible for losing out on a bit of profit as well, because I'm not getting a chance to move my stops quick enough because I'm trying to mess around, trying to be like, right, if I take one contract off here and then I'll move my stop on the other one, but then the preset stop loss is too many. So if you're trading two and you're taking one off, but there's a preset stop loss of two, you'll take one off and then you'll end up buying one. So it's like you can't let it hit that, otherwise you'll end up in the trade going the other way. Don't know, just yeah, I feel like it was better when we were just taking, like, we had a preset take profit as well, where it was like, right, 10 points, preset take profit, hits it, done. But the market is in much greater momentum, and all these moves, like, we're catching like 20, 30 point moves. Obviously, we are trading lower contract sizes, so that's why the money's not really going up that well. But yeah, so looks clean enough. Like, looks like it's moving nicely, moving in those waves, but it's just not. Like, it's just, like, as you can see from this 5-minute chart, it's just wicking. Like, it's chopping and it's wicking. And it's very difficult to know, like, is it making a higher low here? Is it making a lower low? You know, is it going to continue in the down? Is it going to ping back up on itself? Like, there's just no real logical direction to what's going on here whatsoever. It's just like, is it going up? Is it going down? This one was fucking wild because we were down, we were up nicely on it, and then I'm pretty sure this just goes and stops. In fact, I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, I think it does. Or maybe not. No, it doesn't, does it? No, yeah, I'm talking at my ass there. Yeah, it's like, just fucking get out of it, you know what I mean? Just fuck off. See you later. Is it going? Yeah. Fuck it. I think the other issue that we're experiencing as well is these 25k accounts, they're very unforgiving because you only have $1,000 in drawdown. And even trading 2 accounts, like 2 accounts is $80. Sorry, 2 contracts is $80 loss if you set it at 20 points. So $80, it's not quite 10% of your max drawdown, but it's not far off. It's just a lot, and the accounts are very unforgiving, and yeah, the grand worth of drawdown's just not much to play with at all, especially in this market. So we'll see. I might buy a 50k account. I might go back to the 50k accounts, but it's a fine line with them. Like, if you increase the contract size, to trade like 5 micros, you're just in the same position. You just blow the account again quickly. And then, I'm a bit reluctant to buy another account at the minute. Just because the rate at which I'm blowing them, like I say, I've never blown accounts this easily before. Like here now, you're looking at it and you're saying, right, is this, we've come sort of into equal highs. Is this going to make a lower low? Is it going to come all the way down and make a lower low? Or is it going to make a lower high? Like, what's it going to do? What's it going to do? Is it going to come back on itself? Put in a lower high and go back up, Or is it going to... you just don't fucking know. Because there's literally shit all to target to the upside. There's nothing to target up there. It's just all-time highs. You can't target anything. There's nothing up there to target. It's just emptiness. It's just empty space, like. So, yeah. Anyway, needless to say, we were green on the day. Well, blown account, obviously, but green on the day in the other account. But again, it's because it's a new account. I don't think we only bought the fucking thing yesterday. So it's like, it's just back to square one, really. So yeah, I think this is just going to be the way it's going to be for a little while, I think. Whilst everything sort of simmers down, especially with this SpaceX, because I do think that this SpaceX is the root cause of a decrease in volume, an increase in chop. I think so. Just looking at how, like, Tesla, because I do trade Tesla, looking at how shit the Tesla market has been since SpaceX opened, I do think that's it. It's that's causing the issue, but I don't fucking know. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I think it's just going to be more of the same. So hopefully, no fucking about. Just don't blow an account. That's all I ask. Just don't blow the account. But we'll see.